A 5.7 million pesos water system was formally inaugurated on January 31, delivering clean and sustainable water to residents of Sincho, Camachile and students of Camachile Elementary School in Florida Blanca in Pampanga. The Camachile Water Resources and Sanitation Facilities Project is the result of an international partnership between the Rotary Club of Dolores, District 3790, and the Rotary Club of Say Songtan, District 3750, South Korea, funded through Rotary International Global Grant. The total project cost reached 5.7 million pesos, covering feasibility studies, construction, hygiene kits, and professional supervision. For the Aita community in Camachile, access to clean and safe water has long been a daily challenge. Families no longer need to travel far to fetch water. The project ensures safe drinking water, better hygiene, and improved sanitation, reducing the risk of waterborne diseases and promoting overall community health. The newly installed infrastructure includes a high-capacity submersible pump, overhead water tanks, and 5 communal refilling stations. The school also received a hand-washing station, a drinking station, and newly constructed and renovated restroom facilities.
Kami po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat at talagang kami po ay masaya na napili po ang aming eskwelahan para po sa mga donation na tunay na makakatulong sa mga bata.
The project was launched after learning about the community's long-standing water challenges.
I heard that there is a problem with the water system in this school, and I'm decided what Rotary is to helping people to share our happiness. So yeah, and also the Sesongtan Rotary Club, they ask us to do this project, and then yeah, finally we did it. So I'm very proud of my Sesongtan Rotary Club in our district, and also I'm very happy to share this good program with the children this school, and also the people lives around here.
They underscored the impact of seeing children finally access clean drinking water, calling it a life-changing intervention for their health and future.
In Korea, we have never really thought about not having water. I attended the completion ceremony of this project last June, but honestly, I couldn't believe that there was a place without water. However, today, after seeing this water supply project completed and watching the children drink clean water, I realized how healthy these children can be and how they can grow up strong and healthy. And beyond that, I came to have hope that these children will also grow up to serve humanity in the future.
Rotary Club of Dolores highlighted that the project took years of planning, technical studies, and approvals to ensure a permanent solution to the area's lack of basic utilities.
Masayang-masaya ang ating, hindi lang yung community, no, particular kami sa Rotary Club of Dolores, dahil isang malaking proyekto ang naisakatuparan natin. Siyempre, sasalamatan natin yung ating kapartner na yung sister club natin, yung Rotary Club of Say Songtan sa Korea. No? At itong project na to talagang tinrabaho ng matagal na panahon.
Beyond the water system, the Korean Rotary Clubs also donated funds for the construction of the school's covered court, while hygiene kits were distributed to students and residents.
Rotary International has 7 areas of focus. Among them, water is one of the core areas, and I believe it is very important field because it deals directly with human life. That is why supporting and developing water projects, especially for countries facing water shortage or where people are forced to drink, contain water, and providing access to clean and safe water. In my view, this is extremely important mission for Rotary.
To guarantee sustainability, the Rotary Club signed a memorandum of agreement with the Florida Blanca local government unit in November 2025.
course, lubos tayong nagpapasalamat kasi we have this kind of activity coming from the private sector. Kaya malaking bagay po ito para makatulong po sa kabuhayan at sa pamumuhay ng ating mga kababayan, lalong-lalo na yung ating mga katutubong Aita. Isa po kasi sa mga hamon dito sa ating pong lugar na ito, sa Sitio Camachile, yung pong provision of water. Kaya po ang local government unit talaga naman pong gumagawa ng paraan para makapagbigay po tayo ng malinis na tubig para sa ating mga katutubo. At ito po yung maganda, meron tayong mga kapartner katulad po ng Rotary na talagang tumutulong po sa ating pong adhikain.
Local officials, Rotary leaders from both districts and representatives from the Philippine Air Force attended the turnover ceremony. For News Force Pampanga, this is Patricia Mamangon.